There's a lot going on in the garden today. This is strawberries on the bottom, and then these are tomato plants that I have neglected for far too long. So I got those up the other day. But here we got stuff like rainbow chard. These are jalapenos and some different type of hatch peppers. We got our super hots right here, reapers and a few other things. They take a lot longer to grow. Here's cantaloupes and watermelons. One little lonely sunflower, look at that, little lonely sunflower. Here's some more cantaloupe and or watermelon. I've got okra here. The okra's doing well. Cucumbers here on this trellis. So we got white sage, 3 different types of sage. I got chocolate mint, catnip, pineapple sage, basil, oregano, thyme. There's some dill somewhere. I got onions over there. There's a lot going on in the garden today. Tag along. Sometimes I'll start from the top just to let it sit where I want to, and then I'll go down and give it support. That way, once the fruit sets up, you know, to have something to hang off of, and it won't just be hanging off the top and extra heavy. Usually try to get rid of anything that looks like this though. Anything that has some type of disease on it, I try to get it out of the garden. You don't want anything to be able to try to spread or any of that. You always want to make sure you clean your scissors before and after each use. That way, if you did have something going on in your garden, you're not, you know, transferring it to the roses or the hydrangeas or the peonies or another fruit or flower. This plant is small, much smaller. My wife always says everything wants to live, so we're gonna help it live. I'm being a little extra with this one because it's got a tear in it, and so I want it to get as much support as possible around that tear so that it'll heal itself and keep growing. Jeez, this is a big sucker. This has to go though. Gotta go. All right. We will let a little bit more progress happen, and then we'll be back.